Welcome to Asapul Caf, the cave of seven sleepers.
Seven Sleepers Cave. Ashabul Kahf, which was depicted in Kahf section of the Quran, is also known as Seven Sleepers Cave in public.
We have actually visited the caves in Jordan as well, and there are like cupboards there. You can see the skeletons lying in, and there it just seems to be more real to us than this one. We are, as you know, at Chiarji Mehbad Usta for our Adana Kebab. Guess what the drink is called?
As well as the largest mosque in Turkey before the establishment of the Shimbalija Mosque in Istanbul. Adana is located in the southeastern Mediterranean of Turkey. Throughout the history, Adana has been an important center of attraction, thanks to its fertile lands and its trade routes passing through its mighty rivers and dams. Conquered by Alexander the Great in 335 to 34 BCE, it came under the rule of Abbasid Arabs in the end of the 7th century. After 600 years, until the establishment of Turkmen Ramazan dynasty in the 1378, and then it was conquered by the Ottoman Sultan Selim I in 1516. Sabancı Merkez Mosque. Adana Mosque in the center of Adana is one of the largest mosques in the Middle East, as well as the largest mosque in Turkey before the establishment of the Shimbalija Mosque in Istanbul. The mosque is situated on the west bank of Seyhan River with a distinctive view, making it a truly shining symbol of the city. One of the earlier extant monuments in the area is a stone bridge which is 220 yards long, spanning the Seyhan River, dating from the time of Byzantine Empire and restored by several Arab rulers of the area in the 8th and the 9th centuries.
Guys, we are in Adana at last, and we are at the Al Mashup GRG Mehmed Usta for Adana Kebab. Yeah, let's You get fresh ayran from here as well. Fresh ayran and the shaljam juice. Shaljam juice is में डाला हुआ है. Ooh, look at that, shaljam.
Adana Kebab has a protected designation of origin. This means that an original Adana Kebab can only be made in Adana by a seller who has passed an unannounced check by the Chamber of Commerce, meeting a considerable number of rules. For example, the meat should come from a male lamb, no older than 1 year. The meat must be chopped by hand with a heavy sword-like knife, and a fifth of the meat should consist of tail fat, and there is also a specific spice mixture. To eat the original Adana Kebab, we are in Adana today. It's ate with a Turkish flatbread, preferably lavash, is warmed on top of the meat just before the skewers are ready, giving it the taste of the meat and a hint of a smokiness from the cold. The Turks prefer to eat their Adana Kebab in the city of Adana itself.
Very nice. Rizal. ये कोयले बना रहे हैं because they will need more in a bit, and there's a and there is the naan. This is how it's made, and there's all the kebabs going ready to be served. That's how they will prepare the plates and the salad bar. As you know, at Chiarji Mehbad Usta for our Adana Kebab, Guess what the drink is called? It's called shalgam. Do you know what shalgam is? Is it?
It's turnip, yeah.
Turnip. Turnip, what is in English, and in Urdu bhi hum shalgam कहते हैं. Shalgam की सब्जी बनाते हैं ना with the gosh. That's what it is. Now I'm gonna try the shalgam juice. Let's try the shalgam. Who's gonna hold me if I drop after drinking this? Because I've heard it's very, very sour. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It's not as bad. If you've ever had the aloo bukhara and imli juice before, you will be able to drink this. Since I am in Konya, I've been seeing this sharbat, but I wanted to come Adana or Gaziantep to really taste the original one. So here I am. Their chutney or a sauce or salad, whatever we call it, like 5 different ones. There's our food, guys. Afiyat olsun, guys. Afiyat olsun. Bon appetit. We've only had breakfast this morning and we have some gandmand on the way. Rubbish, what we call junk food. There's the liver, kaleji. There's the
liver camel.
अच्छा नहीं कहते ये उसके ऊपर लगाओ हाँ camion. कहता put this on the liver. So that might be mirchen, you know. That might be masalas. Why have you put that on your kebab as well? Put a bit of lemon on your kebab. Also, grab a bit of salad and grab a bit of kebab, just like that. Another one. I think this is the first time I've seen they've given us more naan than kebab. I like it. Usually I would feel the meat smells, but it doesn't. I'm gonna try the liver. So he is the man. The shukarlar. It's very nice. Guzal. Really good. Very good. We just loved it. Had our food.
Adana'ya gel, ciğerimi ye.
How many years?
Yes, years 25.
25 years. Is this the best kebab in Adana?
Yes.
Oh. English only.
Geç kızım geç.
Allah Razi also and Guru Shurus.
Görüşürüz, beklerim.
Nice to meet you.
Beklerim.
Good to meet you all. So guys, there was the owner of this place and this place been here for 25 years. Honestly, I am not sure what to say about this kebab. Should I be saying it's 10 out of 10?
I'd give it about an 8 out of 10 because I don't eat anything from Turkey, but I genuinely really like this kebab.
So I would say it's a good kebab to come to eat.
It's not spicy, but it's very tasty. The chili is spicy.
Like we are short on time and I just wanted to have an Adana kebab from Adana while we were going past, and this was the place which came up as the best Adana kebab in Adana. So I am glad that we've had it, and there's like I'm just going to go and have a little stroll about in that little bazaar where the clock tower is. So all the food we had 4 kebabs, we had 1 liver, I had the shaljam juice, all of these had coke, and then Jav had tea as well. It costed us 400 Turkish liras, which is £20, which is really good, and I'm glad my family liked it. They are people very fussy about food at times. They won't like anything what they eat, and my kids especially Beyza, she doesn't like no Turkish food, and she even liked it, so which is good. even this is the part of the restroom. When it gets really busy, all this gets filled up. That is the clock tower, guys. And that is the Ulu Jami. That's a hammam of the Jami. Jami is probably on the other side because, as you all know, the Turks made these mosques, not only mosques, but they come as a complex. So that bazaar is probably the part of the mosque too. Oh, that is a nice place. Is it a mosque? It does look very different than usual mosques in Turkey.
Constructed in 1507 with an extension added in 1541, this black and white marble mosque is perhaps the prettiest of the older mosques in Adana. Built in a style resembling mosque in northern Syria and constructed of black and white marble. The mosque is enclosed within a high wall in the old town, stands to be the most interesting medieval structure of Adana, with the mosque, madrasa and turbesi. The building carries features of Mamluk, Seljuk and the Ottoman architecture's design. The western entrance is older than the main building and differs in style from the part building by the Ramazanolu Halil Bey. The minaret near the eastern entrance to the courtyard has a covered balcony and shows a Mamluk influence. The exterior of the minaret is decorated with stone of two different colors. And then we visited the madrasa, which is on the east side of the mosque and is described in early documents as the old madrasa. The madrasa got simple and clear stonework and the fountain with 8 columns sporting a pyramid roof. It has a spacious look because of a small masjid squeezed on its northwest side and unrelated building placed beside it. This place is a must when you visit Adana, so do not miss on the Ulu Jami complex as a whole while you are in Adana.
This is all from Adana today, and we are just leaving. It's 8 o'clock and we are leaving for Gaziantep, and inshallah I will see you in Gaziantep maybe tonight, if not inshallah tomorrow. So see you guys. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more from Southeast Turkey and Uzbekistan.